Welcome back to our Make Money online channel. Have you tried the new Microsoft Bing yet? It's amazing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how you can use it, and how it can even be better than ChatGPT. We'll compare Bing and ChatGPT, and I'm sure you'll love this video and find it helpful because Bing doesn't fail. So stick with me until the end of the video. If you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button and hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos. We post new videos every week about artificial intelligence and making money online. This video will show you how to use the tool and how it can be even better than the ChatGPT version we know. Let's get straight to the video without any further ado. Bing is powered by ChatGPT, so you can ask questions and do everything you do on ChatGPT. What many people don't know is how to access Bing, so I'll show you how to do it. Just go to bing.com and make sure you have Microsoft Edge installed. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's internet browser. If you don't have it, download it. You also need to have a Microsoft or Skype account to sign in. If you don't have one, click on Create One to set up an account. Once you have the Microsoft Edge browser open, access the new Bing by clicking on Start Chatting and signing into your Microsoft account. Clicking on Chat Now will take you to the question interface for the new Bing. You can choose how the answers will be: more creative, balanced, or more precise. I'll choose more precise. I'll ask for 10 video ideas for my channel and compare the answers from the new Bing with ChatGPT's answers. Bing gave me 10 ideas, but they weren't ideas for my channel. Instead, they were 10 random ideas about niches to create a channel. ChatGPT, on the other hand, gave me 10 ideas within the scope of what I asked for, namely, 10 ideas for making money online. So it's 1 point for ChatGPT. Let's see now which of the two performs better in creating a script for a video about affiliate marketing. ChatGPT created a longer script. On the other hand, the new Bing suggests the next questions to continue the conversation. I'll consider a technical tie here, 2-1 for ChatGPT. Let's ask a more recent question to see the behavior of both chats, since ChatGPT's database is updated only up to 2021. By clicking this button on Bing, I clear the section and move on to a new topic. I asked both of them who won the last elections in Brazil. The new Bing answered correctly. In addition, it shows sites where we can confirm this information and photos on the internet about the subject asked. ChatGPT was not able to answer accurately, which was expected, as its database, as I said, was updated only up to 2021. Here in this case, it showed us President Jair Bolsonaro, elected in the previous elections to this last one. In summary, it gave us wrong information. Our score is tied at 2-2. Let's try again, now asking for a creative to advertise a weight loss product on Facebook. I'll put Bing in the most creative mode to test this option. Both were able to create the creative for our ebook. Bing made a slightly longer creative while ChatGPT made a creative separating headline, visual, body copy, and call to action. I believe we had a new tie here. Although Bing gave us a slightly longer text, ChatGPT gave us an idea for all fields of our ad. Thus, we end our comparison tied. I suggest that you conduct your own tests between the two chats and see which one fits your needs better. The new Bing may be an alternative for days when ChatGPT is slow or stuck. It's worth keeping an eye out for the news to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.